Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you all? I'm doing good and I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm here and I'm here with a very good, very beneficial and very attractive tutorial. Today I'm going to introduce with a template which is directly concerned with the party ledger. Party ledger mean for example, if you are doing business with any party, like you can say on daily basis you are making invoices on your name, on the name of your party, and taking the payments from that party as well. So this template is very useful, and this template will change all the scenario of your business. This is very user friendly, very easy to use. There is nothing complicated. This is very very easy to use. So just follow me. I will tell you, I will brief you that how you can use this template. So follow me. Here you can see there are two tabs, there are two buttons in this template. uh, at the upper level of that sheet, there is invoice and payment buttons, right? And for example, you make invoices, you make an invoice to your party, right? And I will just click on invoice, and you can see this form is here in front of you. You just need to put the date. Whenever you just type any button, the today date will be here in front of you, right? And here I can say LLD, right? Invoice number is 1, and the invoice amount is 1,24,000. Submit and close. Now you can say that you have to this is the name of the party, right? Network zone. And you can say network zone is liable to pay 1,24,000 to me. If the balance is in positive, that's mean you have to this is your bill receivable, right? This is your bill receivable. When the amount is in positive, when the amount is in negative, that's mean this is bill payable, right? Or you can say this amount is advance, as a advance, right? So now the amount is in positive, so that's mean network zone, which is your party, that party is liable to pay 1,24,000 to you. So for example, at the same date, that party pays you 48,000, right? So then I will click on payment, and just click any button. Today date will be here, and here I will say cash, and I will put 48,000, and I will just submit and close. Now here you can see that the remaining balance is 76,000. So this is very easy to use, this is very user friendly. Whenever you make any invoice to your party, to network zone, you to just need uh, click on invoice and make the invoice, and if you make the payment, you just need to click on payment button, and just follow these three steps, right? So your balance will be automatically updated, right? So this is very easy to use, and I hope you must like this template. And if you want to prepare any template as per your commitment, as per your requirements, for every any business is different from another business. So if you think, if you are doing business, or if you are doing any job in any organization, and you think that template can be modified according to your business or according to your department, obviously you can contact me. Inshallah, I will help you. And if you want to prepare any template, you can contact me. Inshallah, I will I will help you, right? So this is all from today lecture, and inshallah we will see you in upcoming lectures as well. So okay, thank you very much for your time, and Allah Hafiz.